How is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. We ready for page 2? We've already done page 1 and I have done page 6 in the album. This is page 6. This is page 1 that we did together. Isn't it so cute? I love it. And then so here is page 6. So it mirrors, right? And then you open it this way, and if we were to keep that open so the pockets, you know, they mirror one another. And then we have that, right? So I love it. I think it's going to turn out really, really cute. Let me tell you what you're going to need for page 2 and page 7. Because again, I'm doing the exact same thing for the other page. So on the A side, we're going to have pocket F, which is this pocket right here, and he's on page 10, okay? And of course we have our base page already done, page 6 and 7 put together, right? So we've already got him done. So we're going to need the mat to go with that. We're going to need page 10. We're going to need the belly band E. And we're actually going to need a magnet as well because I'm going to have this flip open on here. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get that done. And then we'll go over with what we need on the other page, or the other side of the page. Now, again, we need to cut off one of these longer tabs. I've already scored these. So we can I'm just lining it up so that that line will be cut off like so. Alrighty. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go off camera for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and put the tape on our tabs here. So I will be right back. Okay, so I want to, before I put down my mat, let's see, because this pocket is going to go right here, and my thinking is I want the belly band to kind of go like this, and yeah, so I need to hide the belly band because I do want it to open up, right? And now I wish I would have not put tape there. I think I can cut this tab off, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Is just trim that little guy off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put him down. I want him down before I put the unless, hold on, I may want, because it can be covered with the mat here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put him on the, we'll just go ahead. Okay. Ah! Oh, okay, where's my magnets? I need to put my magnets down first. So I'm gonna put it down about, I need them to be centered, about right there. I think will be good. Right? Alright. So now let's go ahead and let's mat him. Mat the base page. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the pocket together. And I think everything that's going to go on the left side, I'm going to put the pockets on the left side. Things that are going to go on the right side of the album, I think I'm going to put on the right side. You know, that way I can remember what I'm doing. Okay, now let's put the belly band down. And I want him centered a little bit, you know. See, let me make sure. I mean, I'm eyeballing it, which is what I normally do. That looks good. I like that. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put a magnet on. I believe that was a negative. So, love how you just drop it and it finds it. Right? Okay. And now I can mat everything. All right, so there's the first part. Isn't that cute? I like it. All right, so it's going to go in the book this way, so let's flip it. Flip it real good. All right, so then for the B side, we're going to need a flip pocket. So we're going to use pocket B from page, or excuse me, I'm sorry, pocket A, Fancy, from page 10. We're going to need 2 mats, one for one side, one for the outside, one for the inside. We're going to need belly band E, another small belly band, because we're going to do that again. We're going to put that on the front of that. And then on the inside, we're going to need, on page 8, pocket B, and then the mat for that. And then we'll need belly band A, which is the longer one, and it will go right like that. Alright, so let us go ahead and let me make the flip, because we need to put a magnet on there. And because we put a magnet, no, okay. Alright, so let's just move this over. I'm going to cut because I want it to flip upwards. I'm going to go ahead and cut the longer tabs off. I want to make sure that I'm... Alright. Let me move this back. So I want to go ahead and put our... I'm actually going to do it. Do y'all hear the baby? Oh, the baby wants in. I'm going to go ahead and put the pocket down first. That way I can put the magnet on the pocket. And again, when you print out, this is actually how, if you're using your scan and cut, this is actually how the page comes out. So I just wanted to show again that you would go the halfway mark. And, ooh, I know what I did. Here we go. Oops. Halfway mark and score. The reason that looked like that is when I was cutting it, a little bit of it got was not on the mat. it cut the tab a little short, but that's okay. It will still work. It'll still be fine. All right, so I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go ahead and put tape here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put tape on the belly band tabs. And again, this is what the belly band looks like. My little note. So you would just score it at the 1/2 inch mark. And you kind of can tell where you should score it, even though there's no line there. It's just the way that it looks. All right, so I'm going to put tape on everything. And once I put tape on everything, I will be back. Okay, so let's put the pocket on first. Now, this is completed. It's going to go in like this. And when you open it, and I'm going to put it right here. Oh, that's cute. That's all right. It's fine. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the album. And then I will do its partner page, page 7 off camera. Again, all right, so that's it for this video for page 2. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it has inspired you to create something. Just play and create and have fun. All right, y'all. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.